Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please, after watching this video on June 2024 question 12 revision, please don't forget to subscribe, if you like, comment, and also share these videos with your colleagues. So right now guys, we are going to revise June 2024 paper 2 question 12. So if it's your first time, just subscribe so that if you upload the second question on section B, June 2024, you will enjoy it. So just subscribe and also turn on your notification button so that you receive the notification, right? So from this June 2024 question code, given those questions, given those questions. So given the first question, it will ask you to find the lowest common multiple, which is find the LCM, right? Want to find the LCM. So want to find the LCM. Find the LCM of 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 3 times 5 times 8 to the power 7 times 7 to the power 3 and also 7 to the power 5 times 3 times 5 to the power 2 times 7. Then give your answer in index form, right? We will ask you to find the lowest common multiple, giving our answer, giving our final answer in index form, right? So we want to leave our solution in index form, right? So remember those factors are expressed. The first one are the factors of a certain number, and they are expressed in their product of they are expressed as a product of its prime factors in index form, and also all those are expressed in index form. So we want to find the lowest common multiple from there as they are expressed in index form, right? So for us to find the lowest common multiple here, want to find the lowest common multiple, is called A. Want to find the lowest common multiple, right? So for us to find the lowest common multiple here, let's first look on the smallest value we have. The smallest value we have is 2, right? The smallest value we have is 2. 2 is our first smallest value we have. Then if it's lowest common multiple, then we have to take the lowest value with the highest power. The lowest value with the highest power. For us to find the lowest common multiple, take the lowest value with the highest power. Then if it is highest common factor, take the lowest value with lowest power, which is highest common factor. Then for the lowest common multiple is the lowest value, which is 2, with the highest power. Since we want to find the lowest common multiple with the highest power, which is 2 to the power, which is 2 to the power 4, right? 2 to the power 4, then times. Then let's now take the second lowest value with the highest power. The second lowest value is 3. Let's say 3. Then the highest power of 3. We have 3 to the power 2. We have 3 to the power 3. We have 3. So 3 is the second lowest value, but your highest power, which is 3 to the power 3. Times, then third lowest value, we have 2, 3, the third lowest value is 5, right? But we want to take with highest power, which is, we have 5 here, then we have 5 here, 5 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 2, so it is 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2, then multiplied by the fourth value. With the fourth value with the highest power, we have 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 3, 7, which is 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. We can express these things to form a single value. Just say 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2, but we are asking to leave our answer in index form. This is our lowest common multiple expressed in index form, right? Let's move on. Question B item 1. Question B item 1, right? Question B item 1, we are given simplify 6u times 5 minus 3 times 4u minus 12u, and 2 marks is awarded for that question. So we want to simplify. So we are saying 6u, right? Might use our question paper. We have 6u times 5 minus 3 times 4u minus 12u, right? We want to see how to simplify this algebra, right? So we want to simplify. Let's apply BODMAS. What do you call BODMAS? BODMAS just simply means bracket of division, multiplication, and also subtraction. So we are given multiplication is multiply 6u times 5, which is 30u. Is 30u. Then minus 3 times 4, which is minus 12u. Then minus 12u again. So we are saying 6u times 5, which is 30u. Then minus 3 times 4u, which is minus 12u, minus 24, minus 12u again, which is equals to 30u minus 12, which is minus 24, is minus 24, is minus 24u. So 30u minus 24u is 30u, 30 minus 24 to give us 6u. So this is how to simplify the given question. We are asked to simplify. Let's move on. Question 12b item 2. Question 12b item 2, we are asked to simplify also. We are asked to simplify. Let me use this space. We are asked to simplify 4 wholes 1 over 8 times 4 over 11 divided by 6 wholes 2 over 3. Alright, so we want to simplify this one. So for us to simplify this one, let's first convert all those fractions as improper fractions, right? Converting 8 times 4, which is 24 plus 1, which is 25, over 8 times 4 over 11, already expressed, divided by 6 times 3, which is 6, 12, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 over 3. We get 20 over 3, right? 20 over 3, right? So from there, let's first divide then multiply. So we are saying 25 over 8 times 4 over 11. If you divide, then we change the division sign into multiplication, then we interchange the last fraction. So then you interchange, instead of 20 over 3, and you say 3 over 20. This is equals to 25 over 8 times 4, 1.25, which is 1 times 3, which is 3 over then 11 times 5, which is 55. This is equals to 5 into 25, which is 5, 5 into 55, which is 11. Then we left with 5 times 3, which is 15, over 8 times 11, which is 88. Then see, are we able to reduce 15 over 88 in its lowest terms? The lowest number which can get into 15 without leaving a remainder, we have 3, 5, and also 15. But 3, 5, and also 15 can't get into 88, which means our final solution is here. This is how to simplify, leaving our answer in its simplest form. Let's move on. Question 12C. Moving on question 12C. 12C item 1. Right, question 12C item 1. Question 12C item 1. So moving on, question 12C item 1. As we are given, if we are given this question during a 1-hour program, during a 1-hour program, there were 12 minutes of talking. The rest was music. Meaning that using that 1-hour program, only 12 minutes of talking, 12 minutes under 1 hour was awarded for talking. Then the rest was music. As you are given 12 minutes for talking, then the rest was music. So first of all, we want to find how many minutes of music. So we want to say, since it's a 1-hour program, which means 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So 60 minutes minus 12 minutes to get 48, meaning that 48 minutes was for music. Calculate the percentage of radio program that was music. So we want to find the percentage of radio program that was music. Already we have music is 48 minutes. So we have to say 48, this is equals to 48 over, it's a 1-hour program. Just note that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So 1 over times 100 minutes. 100 minutes. So we are saying 0, 0, 6 into 48 is 8. Simply means 8 times 10%, which is 80%. Meaning that 80% of the given hour was for music. Guys, please, after watching this simple working method, please don't forget to subscribe as we are revising June 2024 question 12, right? Let's move on to the another question, which is question C item 2, right? Question C item 2, given below, given that y is equals to 2,9 times 10 to the power of 2. Given that, let me use this space, which is C item 2. C item 2, given that y is equals to 2,9 times 10 to the power 2. Then you ask it to evaluate the square root of y minus 1, giving your answer in standard form, right? So we want to simplify. Y is equals to 2,9 times 10 to the power of 2. Therefore, the square root of 1 to simplify or to evaluate the square root of y minus 1. So we are saying the square root of y minus 1, but just note that y is equals to 2,9 times 10 to the power of 2. 2,9 times 10 to the power of 2. Let's convert this one, 2,9 times 10 to the power of 2, into ordinary form. So we are saying 10 to the power of 2, which is 100, right? 100 multiplied by 2,9, which is 290. So meaning that y is equals to 290 minus 1. Y is equals to 290 minus 1. So 290 minus 1, which is 289. 289. So I want to find the square root of 289, which is 17. But we were asked to leave our solution in standard form, right? Which is 1.7 times 10 to the power of 1. So this becomes our final solution. Please, guys, before we move on to the last question, on question 12, before we move on part D, please, um, if it's your first time to reach our channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that to enjoy more videos throughout this channel, so that you will be helped before you sit for your final exams. So let's move on to the last question. Moving on to the last question. I'm sure all those weighty questions, they are clear now. Let's move on to the last question. Moving on to the last question. Moving on to the last question. Last question, which is evaluate, which is question D. Evaluate 38 base 9 plus 1 base 4, giving the answer in base 5, right? Giving the answer in base 5, and 3 marks is awarded for that question. So we want to evaluate 38 base 9 plus 1001 base 4, give your answer in base 5. As you see, these bases are different, so we can't add numbers with the different bases. We can't add the numbers with the different bases. So what you have to do is, we have several methods we might implement for us to evaluate this question. We can convert all those bases to base 9. Since this one is in base 9, we will convert 1001 base 4 to base 9, then add them. After add them, then convert them back to base 5. Or we can convert 9 into base 4, right? We can convert 30 base 9 to a number in base 4, then add them in base 4, then convert back them to base 5. Or we can convert 30 base 9 to base 10 and convert 1001 base 4 to base 10, then add them in base 10. After adding them in base 10, then converting them to base 5. Or we can convert 30 base 9 to base 5, then also convert 1001 base 4 to base 5, then add them. So what we have to do is, we want to convert 30 base 9 to base 10. Then also convert 1001 base 4 to base 10, then add them in base 10. Then after adding them in base 10, then you convert them back to base 5, right? So we have 38 base 9, which is 3 times 9 plus 8 times 9, which is equals to power 0, power 1, which is 3 times 9 plus 8 times 1. This is equals to 27 plus 8. This is equals to, so we're saying 35 base 10. So we're adding 28 plus 27 plus 8 is 7 plus 8, which is 15, which is 35, right? Then let's convert 1001 to base 10, right? So we are saying we are saying 1 times 4 plus 0 times 4 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 4. Then here power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, right? So we are saying 1 times 4 to the power 3, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 times 4. So we are saying 4 to the power 3 which is 64. Which is 64. 64. Yes, plus here. 64. Yes, plus here. 64 plus 0 times 4 squared, which is 16, plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 1. This is equals to 1 times 64 to give us 64, then 0, 0, then plus 1 to give us 65. So now we have 35 base 10 and 65 base 10. So we want to add them in base 10. So we are saying that 65 base 10 plus 35 base 10, then let's add them in base 10. 5 plus 5, which is 10. 10 is equivalent to the base. So we are saying 10 divided by 10 to give us 1 remainder 0. 1 remainder 0. So it remainder here 7 plus 3, which is 10. Divided by 10, 1 remainder 0. So it becomes 100 base. It becomes 100 base 10, right? 100 base 10. So we want to convert 100 base 10 back to base 5. So we are saying base 5. 5 into 100, which is 20, remainder 0. 5 into 20, which is 4. 5 into 20 is this one, which is 5 into 20, which is 4, remainder 0. 5 into 4, which is 0. 5 into 4, 0, remainder 4. Then take our solutions upward like this thing, meaning that the solution becomes 400 base 5. So 3 marks will be awarded after working like this. Or you may apply the alternative methods you might implement for you to evaluate 38 base 9 plus 1001 base 4, giving your answer in base 5. So thank you guys for being together on this simple lesson revising question from June 2024, question 12. Don't forget to subscribe so that you enjoy more videos throughout our channel. So thank you guys for being together. Don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you so much.